In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Notion. If your Notion pages ever feel a bit too small to read comfortably, or you want to pull back and see more on the screen at once, adjusting the zoom is the quickest fix. The good news is you don't need to dig through menus or change your workspace settings. There's a simple keyboard shortcut that works right away and keeps you in your flow. Here's how to do it. While you're in Notion, press and hold the Control key, then tap the key with the plus sign to zoom in. Each tap will make everything a little larger, text, headings, and even inline elements, so you can find the size that feels right to your eyes. If you want to zoom back out and see more of your page, hold the Control key and tap the minus key. Again, each tap steps you down gradually. You can press these a few times in a row until the page looks just right. A quick tip about the keyboard. On many keyboards, the plus sign shares the same key as the equal sign, so you might need to press the key that normally types in equals. The shortcut still works even if you don't explicitly type a plus character. If you have a numeric keypad, the plus and minus there work as well. You can tap or press and hold briefly to repeat the action, depending on your system settings. You'll notice the effect immediately. Body text gets bigger or smaller, checkboxes and toggles scale with it, and long documents become more readable without changing the actual font size of your content. This is especially handy when presenting a document on a larger display or when you're reviewing dense notes and want to ease eye strain. If you try the shortcut and nothing appears to change, make sure the Notion window is active by clicking anywhere on the page first. Also check if numlock is on if you're using the numeric keypad. Some keyboards require the function key for certain symbols, so adjust as needed. And if you're working on a Mac, use the command key in place of control. The idea is exactly the same. As you adjust, keep an eye out for a small zoom percentage indicator that some browsers show near the address bar. Even if you don't see a number, you can always fine-tune by tapping plus or minus until the page feels comfortable. That's all there is to it. Hold Control and tap plus to zoom in. Hold Control and tap minus to zoom out, and repeat as needed. Simple, fast, and perfect for getting your Notion workspace to match your viewing comfort.